Hello students, good morning. In today's session, we will see Maths, Unit 2, Numbers and Operations. In this numbers and operations, at first we will see addition. What is addition? Adding two or more numbers to find the total sum of the two or more numbers is addition. I repeat it, adding two or more numbers to find the total sum of the two or more numbers. Students, you might have learned addition in your lower classes. So, you may be familiar with addition. But now, we will do addition by using place value chart. So, let's begin now. Here is an example for you. The numbers given here are 1,37,462 plus 4,005 plus 38 plus 56,734. Now, I have drawn the place value table here. We are going to place these numbers in the place value table. So, let's start with the first number. To place the digits in the place value table, we have to start from the right to the left. So, we will place 2 in ones, 6 in tens place, 4 in hundreds, 7 in thousands, 3 in 10,000s and 1 in lakhs place. Now, let's place the second number. 5 in ones place, 0 in tens place, again 0 in hundreds place, 4 in thousands place. Then the third number 38. 8 in ones place, 3 in tens place. Then the last number 56,734. 4 in ones place, 3 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place, 6 in thousands place, 5 in 10,000s place. Now we can add all these numbers. Before adding, we have to start it from the ones column. So we will add the ones column first. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. Here we get 19. So we will write the 9 in ones place and this 1 will carry forward in tens place. Now let's count the tens column. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. The second number is 13. We will write 3 in tens place and 1 will carry forward to the hundreds place. Now let's count the hundreds column. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. In this 12 we will write 2 in hundreds place and this 1 will carry forward to the thousands place. Now let's count the thousands place. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. In this 18, we will write 8 in thousands place and 1 will carry forward to the 10,000s place. Now, let's add the numbers in the 10,000s column. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. At last, in lakhs place, we have only 1. So, write the 1 as it is. So, the answer is 1,98,239. So, by using place value, you can easily add the numbers. Now, we will see subtraction. What is subtraction? The process of finding the difference between two numbers. Finding the difference between two numbers is called subtraction. Students, as like addition, you might have also learned subtraction in your lower classes. Now, we are going to do subtraction by using place value chart. Here is an example for you. The numbers given here are 6,00,000, 75,432 minus 32,456. Here I have drawn the place value table. Let's place these numbers in the table. So let's place the first number 2 in ones place, 3 in tens place, 4 in hundreds, 5 in thousands place, 7 in 10,000s place, 6 in lakhs place. The second number is 32,456. Let's place this number in the place value table. 6 in ones place, 5 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, 2 in thousands place, 3 in 10,000s place. So now we can do the subtraction. We will start from the ones column. 2 minus 6. 6 is a greater number. Therefore, we cannot subtract 6 from 2. So we have to borrow 1/10 to the ones column. So the 3 tens will become 2 and the 2 ones will become 12. Now let's subtract the ones column. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now come to the tens column. 2 minus 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 2 because 5 is a greater number and 2 is a smaller number. Therefore, we have to borrow 1/100 to the tens place. So the 4 in hundreds place will become 3 and the 2 in tens place will become 12. Now 12 minus 5, we will get 7. Let's subtract the hundreds column. 3 minus 4. 4 is a greater number, therefore we cannot subtract 4 from 3. Now we have to borrow 1/1000s to the hundreds column. So the 5 in thousands column will become 4 and the 3 in hundreds column will become 13. Now let's subtract the hundreds column. 13 minus 4, we will get 9. Come to the thousands column. 4 minus 2, we will get 2. Then to the 10,000s column. 7 minus 3, we will get 4. And in lakhs column only 6 alone is there. So write the 6 as it is. So the answer is 6,42,976. By using place value table, we can also do subtraction. Students, hope that you are thorough with addition and subtraction by using place value chart. Have a good day. Thank you.